good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. We've been asking, what is Toyota warranty? Toyota warranty, basic warranty is 36,000 miles or 3 years. So which one comes first, the 3 years or the 36,000 miles? So that covers from the front bumper to the back bumper, all the components. So anything goes wrong with that vehicle in the 3 years or the 36,000 miles, you just take it to your local Toyota dealership and they'll replace anything on that car for free. So yeah, that is the basic warranty. The powertrain warranty is 60 months or 60,000 miles, whichever one comes first. That is the engine, the transmission, the transaxle, their front wheel drive, their rear wheel drive, their seatbelt, and their airbag. It covers a lot of stuff, because when I look at certain dealerships, not dealerships, but when I look at certain different manufacturers, they did not cover the airbag or the seatbelt. So that is pretty good. That is not even part of a drivetrain, the seatbelt and the airbag, but Toyota threw it inside and like, yo, we'll cover that. That is 60 months or 60,000 miles, whichever one comes first. So if your airbag light come on or your seatbelt is not working, just take it to your local dealership, because guess what? It falls under the powertrain warranty. That is pretty good. What is their rust protection warranty? Their rust protection one is 5 years / 60 months, unlimited miles. So that is amazing, because of the fact that you can take it to your local dealership and be like, yo, my car is rusting and I need y'all to fix this. They'll figure out what they need to do. So yeah, so it falls under the rust protection, and that is their sheet metal. So yeah, corrosion, anything. So yeah, take it to your local dealership and I'm like, yo. So what is their hybrid battery warranty? The hybrid battery warranty is like from 2020 and with 150,000 miles. So you just take it back to your local Toyota dealership, and guess what? You'll replace that for free. And yeah, it's pretty good. I'm not gonna say in line, because certain hybrid warranties that I've seen, I'm like, oh man, that's sucks. You know what I'm saying? But that hybrid warranty is pretty good. So some of the Toyota that I see today got 300,000 miles, and I'm like looking like, yo, that is built to last. And the Toyotas now today that they are making is still built to last. So yeah, man, Toyota's pretty good. And you know, like their slogan says, let's go places. But if you enjoyed this video, go to smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of ArtOfSpeedd fam, go to the subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.